السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا طيبا مباركا فيه. Today we will explain sun and moon letters. So what are the sun and moon letters? The Arabic alphabet contains 28 letters classified into two categories. The first one is 14 sun letters, which means al-huruf al-shamsiyyatu. The other one is 14 moon letters, al-huruf al-qamariyyatu. This classification is based on the way the letters affect the pronunciation of the definite article al at the beginning of the words alif, ba, jim, ha, kha, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, mim, ha, waw, ya. So look at these 14. When al is followed by a moon letter, the al is written and pronounced. When any one of these letters come, the al is written and pronounced. Let's see some examples. Al qamarun equals to al qamaru. Al qamarun equals to al qamaru. Al qamaru means the moon. The next example is al babun equals to al babu, means the door. So here it is written and also pronounced. So if any one of the moon letters come, the al is written and pronounced. Let's see some more examples. Waladun means a boy. Waladun means a boy. With the addition of alif lam al, it will become al waladu. Al waladu means the boy. So here you will see that al is written and also pronounced. The next one is bintun, means a girl. Bintun means a girl. So with the addition of al, it will become al bintu. Al bintu. Al bintu means the girl. The next one is maktabun, means an office. Maktabun means an office. So it will become with the addition of al, al maktabu. Al maktabu means the office. The next one is babun, means a door. Babun means a door. So with the addition of al, it will become al babu. Al babu means the door. The next one is halibun. Halibun means milk. Halibun means milk. So with the addition of al, it will become al halibu. Al halibu means the milk. The next one is muhandisun. Muhandisun means an engineer. So with the addition of al, it will become al muhandisu. Al muhandisu means the engineer. The next one is mudarrisun. Mudarrisun means a teacher. Mudarrisun means a teacher. So with the addition of al, it will become al mudarrisu. Al mudarrisu. Al mudarrisu means the teacher. So there's another rule. The a of al is not pronounced if it is preceded by an other word. The example is al baytu, means the house. Al baytu. When this noun is preceded by another word like this in our example, wow, wal baytu, wal baytu. and the house. So you see here that al is not pronounced because of the preceding another word, and that word is wow. Let's see one more example. Babul bayti. Babul bayti. The door of the house. The door of the house. Sun letters. Ta, tha, dal, dhal, ra, za, sin, shin, صاد, ضاد, طا, ظا, lam, noon. These are the sun letters. Each of these letters pronounced with the tongue touching the teeth or front upper part of the mouth. When al is followed by a sun letter, it is assimilated into the sun letter. When al is followed by a sun letter, the al is written but not pronounced. The example is al nurun equals to an-nuru, an-nuru. You will see here al is written but not pronounced. Another example is al sabahun, al sabahun equals to as-sabahu, as-sabahu. So here the lam becomes silent. Let's see some more examples. Shamsun. Shamsun means a sun. So with the addition of al, it will become ash-shamsu. Ash-shamsu means the sun. The next one is rajulun. Rajulun means a man. So with the addition of al, it will becomes ar-rajulu. Ar-rajulu. Ar-rajulu means the man. The next one is tajun. Tajun means a crown. Tajun means a crown. So with the addition of al, it will becomes at-taju. At-taju means the crown. The next one is tabibun. Tabibun means a doctor. So with the addition of al, it will becomes at-tabibu. At-tabibu means the doctor. The next one is talibun. Talibun means a student. So with the addition of al, it will becomes at-talibu. At-talibu means the student. The next one is zawjatun. Zawjatun means a wife. Zawjatun means a wife. So with the addition of al, it will becomes az-zawjatu. Az-zawjatu means the wife. So in all of the above examples, we see that the al is written but not pronounced.